discussing Anthem's Health Rewards. So this is a program specifically through Anthem. With that, you do have to be an Anthem insured member to qualify or to be eligible for the Anthem Health Rewards. You and your spouse are eligible. So I'm an Anthem member. If my spouse was also on my insurance plan, he would be eligible. So just keep that in mind that it's you and your spouse. Dependents are not eligible for this program. Regardless if they're 18 or older, it really just is the primary user and spouses. So keep that in mind. And then for the Anthem Rewards, you can participate via their website or the Sydney app, which I will be demonstrating the website just so I could share my screen, but all of this information is also found in the Sydney app as well. Okay, so for the rewards, there was a slight adjustment for 2022. So as of January 1st, it's a little bit of a different breakdown, but you can earn up to $700, and this is the full breakdown of how that $700 is kind of assessed. So $700 is from the rewards, but also keep in mind there is $400 through the fitness reimbursement program. So that $700 is really broken down into three major categories. This is going to be preventative care, condition management, and wellness. The preventative care section, these are all claims-based. So with these, there's really nothing that you have to do. You just make your doctor's appointment, you go, you show up, and then once that billing is processed through insurance, once that claim has been processed, then you would receive the reward that's stated next to it. So if I went and made my annual eye exam, once the billing was completed, which I know can take sometimes up to a couple of weeks, then I would see that $200 in Anthem Health Rewards, which I will show you how you can kind of view the monetary funds that you have available to you. I'm sorry, have I been muted this whole entire time?
No.
No, you're fine.
Okay. All right, I just saw it on my end now.
Just for a second there.
Okay, perfect. I was like, oh no. So these are available to you every year. So January 1st, everything starts fresh and you are eligible again. So this is on a yearly basis that you're eligible for these rewards. So the preventative care, as I stated, these are all claims-based. The condition management, so these are programs. There's 3 programs: condition care, future moms, and the well-being coach, which I have a couple of slides that kind of breaks those programs down just so that you can see kind of your eligibility. But these are where a good chunk of these rewards come from. The condition care, you can receive $225 upon completion. Future moms, $125, and then the well-being coach. This is either to quit tobacco or for weight management. Both of those are $60 in rewards. And then the last section here is wellness. So this is just various activities that you can do. Again, this is either on the website or through the app. Once you complete these activities, you do receive that reward that is kind of based on it. So if you just log into the website and update your contact information between doing those 2 things, you would receive $20 in rewards. So they really just want to make sure that you're actively going into the website and, you know, trying to work on your health as best as possible. So I will show you the wellness section once we go out to the website. Now, as far as these 3 programs are concerned, we have condition care and well-being coach on this slide. The condition care program is really for members who have already been diagnosed with one of these 5 conditions that we see on the left side. So it's not for anyone who's at risk or preventative care. This is for someone who's already been diagnosed with one of these conditions. They've already talked to their doctor. The purpose of this program is that you're managing that condition. So if you have been diagnosed with one of these, then you are eligible. You would call. I will show you where you can find this information. But once you call the number, you would just do a quick assessment, and then you would be appointed a nurse care manager. Now, that nurse care manager is going to call you on a regular basis. You would set that up kind of with the cadence. Usually it's about once a month. They call, check in, and really just make sure that you are staying on track. You're doing the things that you're supposed to be doing. You're following your doctor's orders to the best of your ability, but really that you're actively working on managing that condition that you have. And then once you complete this program, you would receive the $225 in rewards. The well-being coach program is very similar. So again, this is just for weight loss management or to quit smoking. So if you are looking to lose weight, or if you're currently a smoker, you would be eligible for this program. Again, I will show you where the number is to call, but you would call, you would go through a quick assessment with someone on the phone. And then once approved and once you're in the program, you are appointed a care manager, who again is going to call you on a regular basis, make sure that you are staying on track. You create a goal with that person. And then once you complete that goal, you receive the $60 in rewards. So easy example, if you are a smoker, your goal is to quit smoking. So you would be working with your care manager. And then once you quit smoking, then you would receive that $60 in rewards. The last program is the Future Moms, and this is really a maternity management program. So the goal here is really to make sure that you have a healthy pregnancy. Again, you are appointed a care manager, and that care manager is really going to help you to help prevent conditions, discuss risk factors, really provide you advice. And then with this care manager for all of the programs, so with condition care, with the well-being coach, with this Future Moms, you do have access to pharmacists, dietitians, medical doctors. You really have a whole group of people supporting you and giving you some advice and guidance along the way. So with the Future Moms program, once you have completed that, it is $125 in rewards. So I do want to show you very quickly, just to bring you out to the website. And I probably have to stop sharing you and then do this. I already have it pulled up. Okay, so this is the Anthem website. Once you come out to this site, you would have to go to your health dashboard. The health dashboard is going to show you your rewards. So again, it's going to show you the full breakdown of all of the different ways to earn, just as I had shown you on that chart. So if you, again, Anthem's website, My Rewards, this lists out all of the different ways to earn your Anthem Health rewards. And then at the very bottom, it's going to show you anything that you've already completed, as well as the date that you've completed it. So for a lot of those wellness activities, such as updating your contact information, it gives you the link right here so that you can complete that activity. The health profile, this is just an assessment. They provide you the link. So it's very easy to do a lot of these wellness ones because they provide you the information you need right on the rewards website. Now, I do want to show you of course, how to redeem your rewards. That will be the last step. But for the programs that I had mentioned, all of them are found under programs. So if you were someone who was pregnant and you wanted to sign up for the Future Moms program, this is the contact information on how to get started. The condition care is also located here, as well as the well-being coach. It's always at the very bottom. The contact information is here. So those 3 programs that are listed under the health rewards are found under programs. All of these other things that are listed, it's really just a great resource center. It's a lot of good information. But these aren't programs that you would actually be able to receive any monetary value for completing. So lastly, you've done all of these activities and now you're ready to redeem your rewards. So if you click on the Redeem Rewards tab, you will see how much you have available to spend. So once everything has been processed, if you've had those claims go through, you've done some of the activities, maybe you finished one of the programs, you will have this bank kind of up here. So I have already spent 100. So on that last page, it said that I had completed 109. I've already spent 100, but this is where you will see that that amount. And then you have 8 different gift cards that you can choose from to really break down those funds. So if you have $9, you could, or I'll do a bigger amount. If I had $150 available to spend, I could do 20 to Amazon. I could do 50 to Home Depot. There's just a lot of flexibility on how you're breaking up those rewards. But you would really just simply click on which one you wanted, and then you would put in the amount that you'd like to redeem. The minimum is $5, so you have to at least do $5, and then you just click purchase. All of the gift cards that are part of the program are e-gift cards. So as soon as you click purchase, you will receive an email with the links and the code that you need for that the gift card. Now, if you do have one of the old, so as I had stated in the beginning, this has been updated for 2022. If you do have one of those debit cards that we previously used, they're still good. Those funds are still available to you, but just to be mindful of the expiration date that you have on that card, because that's how they were kind of loading the money that you had available to you. So now it is just completely that gift card based system, but just keep in mind of the expiration date of that, that prepaid Visa card that they had given you. But this is just a very quick overview of Anthem's health rewards. There's a lot of great ways to earn. It's a lot of super simple ways, but really it's just an incentive for members to be going in, to be utilizing the programs that they have, and really to be actively working on their health. So with that, I'm going to stop recording. And then if there were any questions that came through, definitely